Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. The place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's episode, we're going to be talking about lost libido and how to get it back. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you need to click that subscribe button. Firstly, what is libido? Libido is your sex drive or your desire for sex. Now, there's lots of different reasons why that might diminish. It could be down to age. As we get older, we tend to have a little bit of a slump in sex drive. It could be down to hormones. It could be down to stress, or maybe a medical condition or medicines that you're on. Another big factor in loss of libido is diet and lifestyle. So if we've lost it, how can we get it back? Firstly, it's a good idea to try and identify the cause of a loss in libido. For example, if it's age, then acceptance is a big factor in coming to terms with that. We can't help getting older. There are different things you can do to try and boost your libido if age is your issue. If it's something like stress, we need to pinpoint what that stress is and where it comes from, and also how badly it is affecting us. Once you've done that, you can come up with useful ways to approach the stressful situation that you're in and diminish it so that your libido can return to normal. Another reason we might find ourselves in a bit of a sexual slump could be our hormones or an imbalance within them. Now, if this is something you're concerned about, it's a good idea to go and speak to a healthcare professional just to find out what your options are. If you have a medical condition and are on certain medications, they can affect your sex drive as well. If this is you, then go and book an appointment with your GP and find out if there are any other options for you. If there's something that can be done, you deserve for that to happen. Everyone deserves a happy and healthy sex life. And finally, lifestyle. If your libido is at a bit of a low point, have a look at your lifestyle. If you can improve your diet and do a bit of exercise, that helps to make you feel really good, really healthy, and can increase your sex drive as well. Now, there's also products from Lovehoney that could help. If you shop online, that can help to build positive anticipation, which is sexy in itself and can help boost your libido. I've chosen a few different things to show you just for some ideas. First up, we have this fabulous book called Play With Me from Lovehoney. Now, this is an adult activity book and it centers around sexual pleasure and sexual happiness. This is a really fun and light-hearted way to take the pressure off and to remember why sex is great, which is it feels good and it's fun. So there are some fun, light-hearted things to do in here, as well as some erotic exercises to boost your libido. For example, right here, we have a Lovehoney Spot the Difference, which is amazing and something that I'm going to do after we finish filming this video. Next up is lingerie. Making a fuss of yourself and feeling sexy isn't just for those with a vagina. You can get lingerie for everyone. So have a look online and see what tickles your fancy. I love a baby doll. I think they're really flattering, they're really soft, they're really sensual, and they make you feel super sexy as well. And finally, masturbate. It sounds really simple, but the more orgasms you have, the more orgasms your body wants. So it's a foolproof way of boosting your libido. Now, if vibration stimulation is something that you're used to, I would suggest switching things up and opting for a different style of stimulation. Something like the womanizer, which offers suction as well as vibration. This little part here is amazing. That fits over the clitoris, engulfing it in gentle sucking sensations, really light, really fluttery, and it has a plethora of pleasure options to choose from. So it's all about experimentation and exploring your pleasure potential. If you are a person with a penis, I'd recommend masturbating with a different type of lubricant. Something that causes different sensations, like a warming or a tingling lube, just adds an extra dimension to your play. So there you have it, how to boost your libido if you find yourself in a bit of a sexual slump. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, please pop them in the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. To subscribe, hit the subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell. And if you just can't wait until next week for another video, then don't worry, because there's one coming up right now. I've been Annabelle Knight, and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye.